Hi, everyone, and thanks again for checking in. I'm meteorologist Todd Delson with a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast. And the eastern U.S. still very warm. In fact, a number of records set or tied yesterday. Looks like we could have a few more of those today as that warmer weather begins to shift east out ahead of a storm system. And we're going to have two pretty big storm systems here this week. Of course, the first one is warmer, so we're going to have more rain in the eastern U.S. But the secondary one is going to be colder with some heavy snow potential from the Rockies into the central and high plains and also to the Midwest. But take a look at all these records tied or set on Sunday. 89 total at some of the airports here from the Mississippi River Valley on east. Some of these select records include Valparaiso, Indiana, New York at 67, Baltimore, Maryland actually up to 72, Detroit, Michigan at 62. So today we're still about 10, 15, almost 25 degrees warmer than average in the eastern U.S., but then we're starting to cool down. Places in the desert southwest about 10, maybe 20 degrees cooler than average. But looking ahead to, well, October 19th through the 23rd, just before Christmas, it looks like we have another big surge of warmer weather setting up in the central U.S. So snowfall potential here today. Not looking too bad in the central or eastern U.S., but once you head into the Rockies and the Midwest through midweek, some snowfall amounts approaching maybe a foot plus in the highest elevations, and then maybe a half a foot or more as you get from Nebraska into far northern Minnesota. The storm system again out in the western U.S. is the colder one. Out ahead of that, we have the warmer one. You can see that line of showers, even a few rumbles of thunder along the eastern seaboard down to the southeast, and that may help to provide some areas there of 1 to 2 plus inch rainfall tallies, and then still some very significant moisture for the Pacific Northwest and along the coast, maybe 4 to 8 inches of additional rainfall. So there's storm system number one, quickly moving northeast, and then just on the heels of that, another one with those temperatures here out ahead of it. Still pretty warm, 68 in Dallas, 39 in Minneapolis, but we're definitely chilly in the southwest, 54 in Phoenix.